Through a humanitarian service called Your Best Pathway to Health, 4,400 members of the Seventh-day Adventist Church, along with friends, family members, and colleagues, organized and hosted a free mega clinic on an epic scale. Partners came together to make the mega clinic a reality. Adventist Laymen's Services and Industries, together with the Seventh-day Adventist Church, Adventist Health through local hospitals including White Memorial Medical Center, Glendale Adventist Medical Center, and Simi Valley Hospital, along with Loma Linda University Health, provided invaluable resources, while notable manufacturers such as GE and Konica Minolta, among many others, donated the use of key medical equipment. In addition, the Office of Los Angeles Mayor Eric Garcetti, along with several districts and their councilmen, rallied to support the humanitarian event in a continued effort to serve the residents of Los Angeles. Once again, volunteers came from all parts of North America and some from abroad: dentists, physicians, specialists, practitioners, chaplains, nurses, dental hygienists, beauticians, registration and hospitality workers, communication professionals, lifestyle coaches, and vision care specialists, among many others. They served until their feet were sore and their eyelids were heavy, and yet neither their smiles nor their gentle spirit ever wore off. Meanwhile, the residents of Los Angeles and some who came from as far as northern Idaho and Texas lined up once again for services beyond their financial reach. Some spent the night in anticipation of doors that would open in the morning, doors of healing, doors of hope. Thousands were served, thousands were loved, by thousands who responded to a calling to love like Jesus and to serve like Jesus. By the end of the third day, 8,537 patients had received medical and dental attention they so desperately needed, together with friendship, encouragement, and most importantly, hope. That is mission. That is mission accomplished. That is mission accomplished together.